Greetings from 795 Kudum Juddy. Never known by the name Blake is the onset on my journey. To all the rappers speaking pin and I'll be learning. I'm coming in high like 46 bikini for the bunnies. My rhymes esoteric, taking deep and that's a daddy. I'm way too humble, I'm losing myself like Jimi Hendrix. But part of me feels like I'm a prodigy. You probably be claiming to be the best, but you ain't as hot as me. Yo rappers vegetarians, ain't never had a beef. Same as a case as mine, but I'ma feed on some of these. Weak MCs on weak bases with big tastes. Pull me on this cold pussy, boy, I don't sweat no beast. Boy, I'm productive like a semen if you're 20 plus. I point the clutch, that's the deepest soul you'll ever touch. I'm way too independent, never call me cosmic. You don't wanna fuck with a novel whose bars are cosmic. I mean, the farther you get, the hotter you diss. But better put your shield on and not to bladder mistake. I'm in my bag with some petty bars, skitty. Pretty bad, baby, don't you risk it. And yo rappers weak like girls, like when they're OG. Hear my shit and love it, but refrain and give me blow deep. Then copy this bar, get you writing some bars. Then the next day you forget about it, you lay short like a fart. Proportionate your vanity to your success. Talking about the rights, money or your pops, I'm not impressed. If you're rapping this tape, keep it honey and calm. Tarnish shit and I'ma beat you like this meat in my palm. We both to your hip hop, bop, kabak. Boy, me with a pocket full of dreams and a little bit of poetry. Now, feel like I'm hungry, sometimes I feel like I'm male tourist. When it comes to rap, never leaving a bean on your plate. Well, I'm nothing compared to my next version. Yesterday's lesson on done, today a better person. And I believe in hip hop, I believe in God. But I'm 6 rappers that got in the foot in your mouth. Man, you struggling, that's why I give respect to divine. Cause your blood speak a genie, the ghost and the real face of Indian rap. Man, brother B have been in my quest. I'm a finna load the beats, I take critiques and load my clip to shoot pussy rappers in and on my big dick shots on flick. Nobody's there to give me guidance like I'm for you. And if you turn your back, take the fire and circle my cool. Let me keep it straight, let me put it right. Some of y'all waiting for your names to pop up on these lines. Either you inconsistent or somebody I forgotten. But Looney Tunes and kids can't even treat it right. I'm not in your top 10, top 20. Or your bitch is fat bread, man, I'm just in the making. To be the next agent in Rock Nation or Dreamville, but 25 comes the approbation. Yo, blinded by this mainstream, a throne in this place. But guessing these are pretty heavy, dropping 4 weeks late. And tell me who's the greatest, man, you can take forever. They say it's me and my novels, but tell me who is better. Looking at the money, looking at the money face, how you feel about it? Looking at the money, looking at the money face, boy, tell me how you feel about it. Yo, Hollywood, I'm coming in hot, yo. I'm coming in hot. In fall represent 795.